Hi students, welcome to Engineering Graphics. This is the third problem in cylinder and cylinder category. A cylinder 60 mm diameter stand on its base, which is penetrated by another cylinder 44 mm diameter with its axis parallel to both planes, and the axis of the horizontal cylinder is offset by a distance of 10 millimeters. We draw plan, elevation and end view of the vertical cylinder, black. Then we draw the horizontal cylinder. The horizontal cylinder axis passes through 10 mm away from the axis of the vertical cylinder, so that you can see it just goes out. 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 4 double dash, 5 double dash, 6 double dash, 7 double dash and 8 double dash. The 8 generators on the horizontal cylinder. Draw them in the elevation. Project them to the elevation 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Get them to the plan 1 to 8. I have, as I mentioned earlier, I have marked only one set of generators only on one side. You can name them on the other side also. There is no need for doing that. Okay. Now let us mark the points where the horizontal generators of the horizontal cylinder cut the vertical cylinder. Where are they? P1. The generator through 1, cut it at P1. 2, cut it at P2. 3, there is no point. The generator through P3 does not cut the vertical cylinder, so there is no point. P2 itself is P4 dash, P1 itself is P5, P6, P7, P8. Q1, Q2, there is no Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8. Intersection curve in the plan. The two sides merge and it's almost 3/4 of the circle. Okay. When you come to the elevation, P1 again, when projected, will give you a small distance away, P5 dash, as you have seen in the previous case. P5 dash projected through P2 will give you P2 dash. Somewhere here you will get P4 dash. There is no P3. Then P6 will give you very close to this P6 dash and P8 dash. Projected through P7 will give you somewhere here P7 dash. Okay. Similarly, you will get Q1 dash here, Q5 dash here. Projected through Q2 will give you Q2 dash and Q4 dash. Projected through, there is no Q3, so Q3 dash is not there. Q6 will give you, this is Q6 dash and this is Q8 dash, and somewhere here is Q7 dash. Now, just like what we have seen in the previous case, you have got M double dash, M1 double dash, N double dash, N1 double dash. There itself, draw horizontal lines. You get what? You get M dash here and N dash here. You get M1 dash here and N1 dash here. No doubt. In addition to this, you have got K double dash and L double dash here. Where is K double dash? K double dash is on K double dash as well as L double dash on B double dash, B1 double dash. Draw horizontal lines and cut what? B dash, B1 dash. This is K dash, and somewhere here when you project you get what? L dash. The two curves actually merge. What happens is this. Dotted. The two curves P1 dash, P2 dash, then it goes to K dash, P2 dash, Q1 dash. P1 dash, P2 dash, then coming down, it goes there because the two curves merge. You can see the horizontal cylinder coming out of the vertical cylinder. So P1 dash, P2 dash, K dash, Q2 dash, Q1 dash, P5 dash, P4 dash, L dash, Q4 dash, and Q5 dash. And on the back side, up to M dash dotted, 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 dotted. If you draw rather an enlarged view, it is already visible there, but I can show you once again here. The curves merge. dotted, 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 dotted. This is P1 dash, this is P5 dash, this is K dash, this is L dash, this is Q1 dash, this is Q5 dash, this is M1 dash, this is N1 dash, this is M dash, this is N dash. The most important salient points I have marked. And this becomes, as you know, dotted. And here also, this become dotted. Now this will be firm, sorry. This will be firm. Why this is firm? It has come out, you can see it from outside. Agreed? So that is firm. This is dotted. This disappear. And this also disappear. It's a very important question. This question has come numerous times for the examination. The three problems in cylinder. If you are getting questions from cylinder, it is one among these three problems. It will definitely be one among these three problems. So you have to draw them and learn. Not very complicated. Once you understand one case, you can see what happens in the other cases. Agreed? I hope you understand. So if you are happy with this presentation and channel, please subscribe to my channel and share among your friends. Okay? Thank you.